Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I just this is not going to be a review, but this is just going to be a follow-up video for you guys that made a couple of comments in my review video, which I'm going to link down in the description. Basically, what happened was I do the videos on the bicycles as well as the BMWs. So when I ordered the natural air kit for my BMW, there were a few guys out there that said, this is not worth it, whatever. They don't, hold that scent for a while. And I just wanted to do a little follow-up video for you guys to prove it to you that I'm a very loyal customer to this product. Now, this morning I heard the guy knock, the mailman guy came in and he just delivered my cartridges. So over here, see, there's a box that fit in here, and I basically the summer was well over. We are now in the fall season here in Canada, and guess what? I reordered the sparkling raindrops. So see, they did a sponsor. I bought this from my money, and I just wanted to refill it on my car now that the season is done and we are going into the winter when we're gonna be cranking the heat on. So I just wanted to do a little video for you guys to prove it to you that I keep ordering this product still, and it works for me. And some of you that may have different opinions whether it works or not, but I'm gonna include the link in the description where I fully reviewed the unit. So this is the unit over here, and these are the cartridges that go inside. Now whether this is worth it or not, I'm gonna put the link in the description on Amazon where you guys can get one, so you can get the refill cartridges as well as the unit. But I just wanna, from my point of view, from what I've seen out there, there's nothing that stays in your BMW that looks like this. Now I'm gonna just zoom in at the same time that this unit over here is made in Italy for BMW AG Munich. So keep in mind, this is coming from a country that doesn't use this cheap labor and whatnot. So you gotta give them some respect that they do pay the wages, that are up to the Western European standards. So there is a certain amount of money that they have to charge for this product, like this is not made offshore where they could just charge you like a fraction fee. You could put it in your car and go from there, just for the same reasons why they charge so much money for the BMWs. Now, since I'm pointing where the units were made, I'm just want to show you this one here. Now, this one, the cartridges over here, see? I believe it's on this side. The cartridges are also made in Italy, which is really amazing, So see, made in Italy for BMW AG Munich. And there you go. So you gotta kind of keep it in mind. But then again, this is my follow-up video to show you that I'm very loyal to this product. They haven't sponsored anything, and I'm here to show you that I purchased that again. And what I will do now, I will open it. I will open the unit. Now, the reason why I went with the sparkling raindrops, in the package you do get 3 of them inside, and this scent in particular restores that new car smell. And I really felt that's the way to go, and I said, you know what, just go with it. So that's pretty much that. I hope you guys found this video really useful. If this is your first time here, hit that like if you found this useful, and subscribe, because I love doing videos on the bikes and the BMW related stuff. And over here to my right hand side, I do have a lots of videos on my playlist, BMW and bike related. There you go. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.